Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code SU-42477-4 on PlayStation 4. Method 1. Clear system cache. To do that, you need turn off the PS4. After that, unplug the power cable from the power source, and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and turning it on. When prompted, connect the controller to the console and wait until the home screen loads. Method 2. Update system software from safe mode. Firstly, turn off the PS4 completely. After that, press and hold the power button. Release it after you've heard 2 beeps, one when you initially press, and another about 7 seconds later. This will boot the PS4 into safe mode. Connect a DualShock 4 controller with a USB cable and press the PS button on the controller. Select the option number 3 Update System Software, and try to update it again via Internet. If it doesn't work, do it via a USB storage device. For more information on how to manually update the PS4 system software using a USB drive, please visit this official Play Stay On page that illustrates this process in detail. So, if update system software from safe mode doesn't work, then select the option Rebuild Database. At that time, it will warn you that it may take hours. Most of the time, this solution resolves the problem. So sad, if after rebuild database, then it still doesn't work. Then in the safe mode page, pick option number 7 that says Initialize PS4, Reinstall System Software. This is the last resort before pulling out the internal HDD and trying to repair or change it. Finally, try with another PS4 internal HDD. And if it work, then sounds like your HDD is dead, time for a replacement unfortunately. I advise getting in touch with the nearby Sony Service Center if the issue continues. Hope this is useful.